In this tutorial, we will explain about users and roles. In the database, you can manage, create, and edit your users. After a user registers to your site, his information will automatically enter the User table. You can also add users from the Users tab. Clicking on the Edit icon will open a window with 4 tabs. User Details. Edit your user's basic information. Roles. Set the user's role from your list of roles. Permissions. Set the user's individual permissions. Email settings. Set the connection the user mail, if needed. Roles let you manage the permission for group of users. We will open a new role. We will assign users for the role. And we will set the permissions for the role.